YouTube was happening. Got to tell you some things today, give you some updates on the system and what's going on with it. It's got pretty much everything brand new. Been trying to make the video for weeks now and had a whole bunch of, life issues going on, and as you can see, snow and cold weather hasn't ended. But the entire car is tore apart. Doors, everything. I did the doors. Took me a couple months. I didn't record it because first time doing it, and I was learning as I went. Didn't want to show off my stupidity, I guess. But the whole car is tore apart. Now, what I have is I wanted to try and make like the biggest unboxing video for car audio. I don't know if it is the biggest, but it's quite big. So let's do this. Let's unbox it and show you what all I got for the entire car. I'm doing a build series on. All of this is going to go in the car. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I got a camera. We're going to take our time. We're going to put it all in. We're going to make it look good and sound good. I'm going to explain to you right now what all I've gotten, what I've done. My door panels, like I said, I did them. They're wrapped in fur. I do have more fur for the box and the wall and the roof and the A-pillars, and I'm going to try and do quite a bit of it. I got the 22-inch Azara Wheels. Can't wait to see those on the car. They are beautiful. They're brand new. Pretty much everything I tried to get brand new. The amp, obviously, an American Bass VFL 1100.1 is used, but they're reliable and good amps. CT Sounds T300.2. Took advantage of all the sales at tax time. I got it for $119. Couldn't pass that up. So got that for the 8s, which are the Cadence CVLs, the M88N Neos, which are pretty extreme speakers. They're pretty neat. The old Hifonics I've been using. New 3D LED Buick badges for the car. My old Memphis's 6.5s here. The M's. Those are going back in behind the head. These are going in the doors. These are probably going in the back window. Not totally sure yet. Wherever they'll fit, because they're pretty large speakers. Got some Sky High down there, 8 gauge for the subs, and some off-brand OFC for the tweeters and doors. All my wire I try to make OFC now. Everybody's going to it. It's a little bit better, so I try to do the same. It's very expensive. Difficult for me to do. 4 Group 31s now, 3 Duracells. Still have my old PowerWare. Been a good battery. Still holding very good voltage, so it's not going nowhere. Infrared thermometer. 100 ring terminals. I hope that's enough. We'll see. I got 100 feet of Audiopipe. Primary wire, 0 gauge. Also OFC. Doing the red and blue. I already have the red in the car. Red and blue for that. Got my Audiopipe. 10 gauge for, running from the CT sounds to the doors. Then the doors are going to run onto the other speaker wire there. The Sony MEX XB100BT, which I'm going to stick with Sony. I've always done Sony. I absolutely love them. Cannot beat them. Some splitters, also Audiopipe. Axis bass knob. OFC Audiopipe RCA cable. All OFC. I can't wait to hear the difference. Hopefully I don't get no more whine. We all know how annoying the whine is. 3 of them for all my channels. 130 CFM fans. I know everybody's switching over to the other longer, smaller fan. But these are cheap, easy to come by, so I got them. The Audiopipe Bullet Titanium Horn Tweeters, the ATR-3723Bs, are going to be very interesting. We're going to see what they sound like mixed in with the Cadence Neos. So, try to keep everything as close as I can to the same. I know, got all kinds of mixed things here, but you know, I like all brands and everything. So even the cheap ones, dual Pioneer, the cheap Pioneer like Walmart Pioneer, sometimes it sounds decent, you know. Some people just like that little type of stuff. So this is how it's set up right now. One day I'll eventually have all of the same expensive stuff, but for now I'm gonna just use what I have. I did get some 3/8 inch copper bus bar. It's raw, so I'm gonna be drilling into that, putting that on the batteries, making it look pretty. And the subs, I got PSI Recones, and they are fully loaded. I got the bigger surrounds, the 6.5 inch dust cap, black of course, with, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but there's 4 lead wires in there. And the 4-gauge push terminals. Dual half ohm. So the amp is going to be at a half ohm. Hopefully my electrical will hold up. If not, we'll have to figure out another alternator. I think that's a pretty large part of everything I got here. The horns are supposed to be 170 decibels and 200 PSI. 3-gallon tank. So we'll see for a $180 kit. It looks nice. Hopefully it sounds nice. So build videos are coming soon. I can't hold off much longer. Spring's here and everything is sitting on a table in the garage. So let's get started on it. Hopefully videos start next week. I'm going to try and upload twice a week. I can't wait to get into traffic with it and get people's reactions and, you know, do some daily vlogs with that and see what happens. So if you haven't subscribed, you know, please subscribe. Come back, watch the build, listen to it, come to Slamology, see me. If you're going to shows near Northeast Ohio, anywhere within a couple hundred miles, I'm willing to travel a little bit. Let me know. I'd be glad to come, even backyard shows, nighttime shows, whatever you've got, let me know. I'd be down to come. All the Xkglow, everything is literally off of the car. So it's all got to go back on. And hopefully it makes for some good content. Many, many more things to come. I got other speakers sitting around that are going into places. New headlights that we're going to do something with. Black them out on the inside. Maybe put different, you know, projector lights in it. I don't know. Ideas are floating around. They are brand new though. So come back, see me. Watch the build, all this equipment, 15,000 watts, and probably close to 20 speakers, all going in very soon. See you guys later. Have a good one.